Hello friend, welcome to this channel. My name is Maverick from Work with Expert. In case you want to create your personal WhatsApp link, it's very easy. All you have to do is just to use this link here. I'm gonna put it in the description. You just type https colon double slash wa.me slash your country code and your number. All right, so what you have to do is just that if you're like, for example, I'm from Nigeria and my country code is +234, then the number, all right, but you're just gonna remove the plus, all right, or whatever the symbol that is at the front of your country code, if it's minus or plus, I don't know, but whatever it is, you just remove the plus or minus and you start with the country code itself. All right, so if maybe your distance is 80, then your number, then just, let's say it's +80 number, then you just remove the plus and you start with 80. If it's +1 from the United States, you remove the plus and you start with 1. All right, so that is how you can do this. All right, so once you're done, you just for example, let me just long press this. Now you see that it's head over straight to my WhatsApp, or you can see, all right, so it sends me straight to my WhatsApp. So I can actually share this link on my social media and do like my Facebook or wherever it is. It becomes easy for you to share. So once people clicks on it, they just come straight to your WhatsApp. All right, so they come straight to your WhatsApp and they can easily do any business or whatever it is they want to do with you. All right, so this is how you can create your personal WhatsApp link, my friend. I believe this video is very helpful. Please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button below before you bounce or before you leave, because I create more WhatsApp related videos which will also interest you in the future. It can help you in your business and also your personal life. And also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and comment your thoughts below if you have any questions concerning this, or if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, let me know in the comment box below, and I'll see you in other videos.